Welcome to the Great Groundhog. We continue our learning series about the topic target audience. This time we're going to take a look at some characteristics of a target audience. Therefore, we can use the method of audience segmentation. With the help of this method, we are able to segment our audience according to demographics, geographics, psychographics, and behavior. These types of segmentation will be the topics for the next videos. The learning goal of this video is to get an insight into audience segmentation. In general, we can distinguish between the four types of segmentation: demographics, geographics, psychographics, and behavioral segmentation. First of all, we focus on the demographic segmentation. Demographics cover aspects like age, gender, job, income, education, and so on. The main advantage of demographics is that they are easy to collect and measure. Second, geographics can be also used to segment your audience. Herein we can take into account location, urbanicity, climate, language, and culture. Third, psychographics play an important role when it comes to audience segmentation. In this context, lifestyle, values, opinions, or social class are crucial indicators. Fourth, the behavioral segmentation focuses on the actions of the audience. For instance, the user habits, the user loyalty, or the benefit expectations. In the next video, we're going to focus on the demographic segmentation in more detail. There will be a video for each type of segmentation with more examples. Thanks a lot for watching The Great Groundhog. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.